I myself was very happy with my role. I think it's one of the a truly liberal woman that I've portrayed. Truly liberal in every sense. I think it's not just Malayalam cinema; it's everywhere. Now, I feel as a woman and somebody who has also studied gender issues, I think people normally understand, or people talk about women's liberation and feminism in a very superficial sense. Here is a woman who's dressed in a settimund all the time, who's dressed in a very simple cotton sari all the time, but she is truly emancipated in her mind. As somebody who follows, who fights, who breaks away from conventions, from traditions, follows her heart and her mind. I think that's the beauty of this role.
Many of the films portray women in a dynamic and in one way a role which that needs to be discussed and with a lot of attention. But unfortunately, I think press also doesn't bring into the limelight for that reason. And here, I think the reason for an average film goer from India is now become more than an entertainment. It's sheer entertainment, but then the cultural side of the film generally is being overlooked or overheard. And that happening quite often from the last 10 years. And we continue with, we don't want to get disappointed for a good reason, but we wanted to say certain things through our film, which happened in this film.
This is one example where cinema as a mass media is so powerful, and I think it can be a catalyst to society's progress. So I feel this doesn't come very often. I would definitely like to say that these kind of roles don't come very often. And I would also like to speak not just about my role, but all the women in this film. I think that's what a great director is about. They're all very well etched out. They all have a strong mind of their own. They have their own quirks and their own opinions, but they have their own mind.
She's my actress who gave me enough blood and shades to my character, which I thought in my mind.
Right.
So I have hats off to her.
I was actually itching to dance, but on the other side, I'm breaking a lot of stereotypes for myself, because when they say Lakshmi, it's like Lakshmi the dancer, but here it's only the actor. Very often, I felt Sir could be my dance teacher, and if there was a passage, he would say, I want anger here, I want it to turn into sadness in these two lines, and then I want it to turn to resignation. He would have worked out the emotion line by line, very much like a lyrics that I'm dancing to, So I really felt I was under some great, here kind of director acting guru, but it was really, that was the feeling I got every time I was working with Sir. Mani, why are you so sad? Is it because you're waiting to be with him, or that you're in front of? Why? Oh, you're beautiful. You're like poetry in motion.